Alpha 6 Romeo Alpha Kilo, joining downwind for runway 34. Alright, checks, lights are on, we are good. Flaps one stage, man, it is choppy or what? Gotta control the speed. So I've got the runway on my right here, I can see it, midfield. At this point, I'm going to go ahead to those buildings and then turn base and then finals. Alpha 6 Romeo Alpha Kilo, turning base for runway 34. Oh yeah, so much updraft. It's like almost telling me, no, I don't want to go down. Alright, let's turn. Final. Alpha 6 Romeo Alpha Kilo, turning finals for runway 34, full stop. No need to add that power. Alright, we've got her. Come sit down. Sit down. Okay, yes, nicely done. We are good. Alright, alright. Alpha 6 Romeo Alpha Kilo, vacating runway 34. And we are back. Alpha 6 Romeo Alpha Kilo, Jazeera ground. Anybody there, Haris? If you could tell me where I need to park.
Alpha 6 Romeo Alpha Kilo, you can park next to Juliet Alpha Charlie.
Roger, copy that. Park next to Juliet Alpha Charlie, Romeo Alpha Kilo. Off, and with that, we can switch off the airplane. Thank you. Hope you had a good flight.